Welcome to Get Gilm's channel. Uploading a Facebook reel with the highest quality requires careful attention to the export settings from your editing software. The recommended specifications for a high-quality vertical reel are a resolution of 1080 by 1920 pixels with a 9 by 16 aspect ratio. Actually, the standard file formats for optimal results are .mp4 or .mov utilizing the H.264 video codec. To ensure the crispest video, it is recommended to maintain a frame rate of 30 frames per second, which is FPS. So while Facebook compresses all videos, an ideal starting point for a 1080p video is to use a variable bitrate, that is VBR, with a target of around 10 to 15 Mbps. For mobile users, uploading directly, a crucial step to maintain quality is navigating to the apps settings in here by just clicking on this profile icon. Now, scroll down to settings and privacy, then tap on settings. Now go ahead and scroll also to the preferences section. In here, select on media. Under video and photo settings, ensure the setting for video quality is set to optimized or the highest quality available on your side. This prompts the app to upload in the best quality possible, provided your network connection is fast and stable. Also, use a fast connection. Always upload over a strong Wi-Fi connection rather than cellular data to prevent Facebook from compressing the file due to a slow network. Now, on the desktop version right here, you can adjust the default video quality setting as well. Just open Facebook in your web browser. I have Google Chrome open here and I have this Facebook in here. Just log into your account. Go to your account by clicking on this profile icon here in the top right. Go ahead and also click on settings and privacy. Now navigate to settings. In the menu, find and click on videos or sometimes just the main settings page. Look for the setting for video settings and ensure HD if available is actually selected. To upload a reel, navigate to your profile or page and look for the create reel or photo/video option and you can continue now uploading the highest quality. Additionally, as of 2025, the maximum length of a Facebook reel has been extended to 90 seconds, allowing for more comprehensive content. In terms of monetization, Facebook has introduced a consolidated content monetization beta program, which is set to replace the separate ads on reels, in-stream ads, and performance bonus programs. This new model simplifies earnings by allowing creators to earn from all public content formats, including reels, longer videos, photos, and text posts, with payouts based on performance, views, and engagement. For individuals' monetization features, the eligibility criteria can vary actually. So, for example, to be eligible for this stars feature, which works on reels, you need at least 500 followers for 30 consecutive days and must comply with all Facebook policies. Other features like fan subscriptions have higher requirements, typically including 10,000 followers or a combination of high engagement and watch minutes. Regardless of the program, all creators must be at least 18 years old and have a page linked to a personal account operating in professional mode. Also, to successfully now navigate Facebook's copyright policies and avoid content violations, the most vital principle is to create original content or add significant, meaningful enhancement to any licensed or sourced material. Facebook is actively cracking down on unoriginal content and reused content that is simply reposted without unique commentary, creative edits, voiceovers, or educational value. A significant update for 2025 is the introduction of a new copyright check feature within the Reels Composer, which scans your video for potentially copyright issues before you publish it, offering a chance to fix any problems immediately. To avoid audio-related issues, creators should exclusively use Facebook's library of free-to-use music and effects or ensure they have proper commercial licenses for any external music. Failing to comply with these policies can result in reduced distribution and the loss of access to all monetization programs, underscoring the platform's strong push for authentic, high value creations. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.